Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to load the paper tray on your HP Smart Tank 580. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the printer itself. Now let's get some paper, so make sure that the paper is empty. Now I've got the paper right here, and what we want to do is we want to open up the tray. It's basically behind here. Now we need to pull it up until it's curvy to the back. Now let's enter the paper, and as you guys can see, everything here is good and our paper tray is loaded. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.